Hello everyone. Today we will be training on the Lash Loyalty Box and how to add one as a current brand ambassador or customer. First, you will log into your hub. Once you are here, you will select your name in the top right corner and select Manage Loyalty Box. On this screen, you will select Add New Auto Ship. And now you pick your lashes. Today, I'm going to pick Serena. You can select the number of Serenas you would like to be shipped per month. I will keep with one and add to cart. From here, you will view your cart, and you can confirm your shipping information and shopping cart information on this screen. You will select the terms and conditions and proceed to checkout. Enter your payment information. Be sure to click the Use button for it to go through. On this screen, you can confirm your ship to address and payment and billing address. On this screen, you can also select your ship date. You will see that it defaults to starting the Lash Loyalty Box next month. I want mine to start right away, so I'm going to click Edit. Here it gives you directions on how to select a date per when you want to receive the Lash Loyalty Box. As I mentioned, I want mine to start this month, so I will be selecting a future date. We'll select tomorrow. Hit Submit. As you can see, my ship date information has changed. It will process tomorrow and on the 14th of each coming month. I will select Save Changes. My auto ship order has been saved and it will be sent out tomorrow. Thank you.